Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and today we're going to use some Born Pretty. We're going to use this Born Pretty on these really long coffin nails and we are going to make a gorgeous jelly set. I'm only going to put one coat of this jelly polish because it is on the darker side, so you lose a tiny bit of the jelly on a second coat. Not completely, but I really wanted the jelly part to be jelly. So we're just going to do the one coat. Pro tip, or maybe not so pro tip, just let it settle for a second before you cure it so that if there's any streaks, it will self-level out. Sometimes jelly polishes will show the brush marks a little bit. So especially when I'm really sometimes will press to make sure it's not too much jelly. Now we're going to put some transfer foil on there, and this transfer foil is Be Still My Heart, one of the prettiest foils I've ever seen. It is a rose vine, clearly hollow as hollow can be. And the only sad thing about it, guys, I don't have any more. Okay, enough crying. I really want to wear this hollow foil. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to have to start searching for it. Even if I had to buy a whole new set to get it, I feel like I would, because this, I don't know how it escaped my attention before this. I honestly had a completely different set in mind, and I started going through my foils to see if there was something maybe I wanted to use with the set I had in mind, but I had other ideas as well. And as my fingers are flipping through, this catches my eye. I feel like I hadn't seen it before, which is crazy because I feel like I've looked at every single one of my foils, but clearly I haven't, because if I'd seen this one before, I would have used this one before. Now I'm coming in with a nice base coat. I don't want to lose that beautiful image if I need to clean the nail off at all. And foil doesn't normally come off when you clean, but I like to hedge my bets, right? I just like to make sure that what I've already created will stay and I won't have to redo it. And that's a good plan because this is the only sheet of this that I have. There are some kids outside. Can you hear that? I bet you did hear that. Anyway, it's the only sheet I had, and because one of the nails didn't transfer correctly, I ended up using all of it. So there you go. I don't have more, and I want to wear it. That was a little whiny. That was just a tiny bit whiny. Now on 3 of the nails, oh, sometimes I crack myself up. On 3 of the nails, we're going to do this beautiful cut out French technique. I'm a big fan of it. And when I saw this foil, instantly in my head, I thought, wouldn't it be cool if a cutout French was sort of framing some of these roses, which is exactly how it sort of turned out. The foil itself made me decide not to do all 5 of the nails a cutout French. The 2, the middle finger and the ring finger, are going to stay a full sheet application, no cover up, just because it's so pretty. When I put the first bit on the first nail and looked at it, you know how you have those moments where you're just like, everything lined up and it's perfect and it's so beautiful, it just breaks your heart a little bit. That's how I felt about these nails. So about that particular foil. That's why I'm going to have to start searching to see if I can find it, because I want to wear it so bad. That was my dog. So after doing the cutout French, we're going to come in with our gem application. I wasn't actually sure if I was even going to add gems to these because they are so pretty. But my heart kept saying gems. I want to put AB crystals on here because the AB crystals are going to mirror the hollowness of the roses, because AB crystals have that beautiful shift, right? And basically shine like hollow. So I just I don't know. I just felt it. I felt like it needed something. So on all three, guys, I'm sorry. I know you can hear those kids, but I am not one of those grandmas that go outside and yell at kids for having fun. Okay, so we're going to let them play. And if you hear them, please just smile and know that kids were having fun, right? That's way more important. Kids having fun is way more important than nails. So, anyway, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but once I started playing, this crisscross applesauce thing sort of came to mind, and I love it. It just suits these nails perfectly. And when the light is hitting them, they're sparkling, and the hollow is hollowing. Okay, I struggled to figure out this triangle for the top coat, which is silly. Guys, it's silly. Because you're going to see in a minute that I figure it out, and it's so intuitive. It's ridiculous that I didn't get it right the first time. That's how I feel about it. As I figured it out, I was like, girl, are you serious right now? So funny. So now I don't want to cover up all the hollow on these ones that I didn't put the French on. So we're just going to do a little crown at the top. I don't know what that's really called, but I think of it as a crown, like a crown for your nail. Right, Queen, wear your crown. And so we're just going to do that right along the top. If there's a name for that application, let me know. Just tell me below. And while you're down there, share some nail tips. I think it would be fun to do a video where we just share tips and we test tips. If it's a tip you don't believe, or a tip you think is not good, or a tip that you think saves your life, share them below. We're going to do a tip video. I think that will be so fun. But here you go. Just put the side up. Just use the angles of your brush to get into that triangle and top coat it. No small brush needed. So just use the angle, like right here. Boom, it goes right in there. Why did I not figure that out at first? Oh God, I kill me. I'm so funny, guys. I'm so funny. Oh, I think it was this set blinding my eyes. Now we're going to just look. That's not cured. Isn't it funny I didn't cure those gems? Dudes, everything I did was funny in this one. I don't even know what to say about myself. But anyway, I just made sure the gems were nice and straight and cured the gems in the top coat all at one time. There you go. No big deal. Guys, this is our finished set. Is that the most hollow you've ever hollowed? I cannot believe how beautiful those are. Oh, now my dog's about to start choking. And I swear to God, he is struggling with those kids outside. He cannot stand that they're out there playing and he's not with them. But he's also a herder, so he will nip at ankles. We're not doing that. Oh, guys, these nails. If you know where to get this foil, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to start searching. I need at least one more sheet of this in my life, and honestly, 5. I feel like I need to wear this 5 times before I'll be happy. I'm going to search for it, guys. I'm going to search for it. Let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below. While you're down there, go ahead and click all the buttons. I have been trying to invite all my TikTok friends to come over here. So if you're here from TikTok, don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss any videos. If you're not here from TikTok, please subscribe as well. Guys, these nails are some of my favorite that I've ever done. Let me know what you think about them. Would you wear them? Are they just too darn much for you? Oh, how could they be? Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't even tell you how happy I am right now. I hope you're happy too. You have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye-bye.